In this video, I will show you how you can charge other devices using your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Now to do that, over here I have a smartphone which I will charge using my Galaxy A37. Now the Galaxy A37 and the A57 do not support reverse wireless charging. The only way you can charge other devices using your Samsung phone is through a charging cable. Now to do that, over here I have a USB Type-C to Type-C charging cable. Since both of the smartphones I have over here have a USB Type-C charging port. But if you want to charge another device like an iPhone which has a Lightning port, you'll need a Lightning to USB Type-C converter to do that. Now in our case, since both of the phones have a USB Type-C port, just plug in one end of the cable to your Galaxy A37, then plug the other end of the cable to your other device. As you can see, as I plug this device into charge, it will start charging. And this is how you can charge other devices using your Samsung Galaxy A37 or the A57. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.